Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a very great day. You had to be very patient actually today. So it's not the best of the day, and you had to wait to take a trade till at least like 11:54. So basically, the first half of the day, you have to be patient, right? And you have to be patient in knowing that we are in this range, right? So we are in this yellow range, and you can see clearly tapering between this yellow, right? So taking a trade, um, like for example, going long here at this top is where you mess up, okay? Um, and you're just gonna get caught. And yeah, so ultimately the move we were waiting for is some sort of retracement right here, which we did get, and then this push above, right? And that is basically the structure for today. And I'm gonna also show you in the 30-minute, right? You guys would have noticed on my last video that I had this algo drew up, right? The screen algo, right? And this was a perfect liquidity grab right here, right? And then all the way up, right? So yeah, so I'm ending my day today at 3, and I'll show you the trades in today as well. Again, we were in this tight range, right? So you have to be really careful. And again, you could have also taken the short down towards the 5-day moving average, because we were in this tight range, right? So the market wanted to build liquidity. So the target was 5-day, okay? The target was 5-day, and we found 5-day as support right here, right? As well as with this white algo right here, right? So this was a perfect trade right here. You could have entered even down here at the bounce of 5-day, right? There was an inverse head and shoulder right here, right shoulder right here. Take this trade, right? And you can notice this tapering right here, right? And then there's another inverse head and shoulder, right? So even if you missed this entry, you would have had an entry right here. I'm gonna make it clear, right? So you would have had an entry right here, right? This right shoulder right here, and bam. So, and you hold this position because you have confirmations from the 5-day, for example, right here, right? So this is this, right? Which is right here, okay? So you have confirmation from the 5-minute, and you have structure from the 5-minute as well as the 30-minute, right? This is the break, right? So you are confident that the bulls are in control, especially after that bounce for 5-day, right? That we were headed up, and you can see it tapering around here. So that's how you would have to manage your position. There wasn't strong buying right here. The bulls wanted to build more liquidity, right? And then we broke out right here with the strong orange buying right here, right? So then we close this cup right here, right? And then the handle, okay? So the handle, this was the last trade of the day for me. So I'm gonna draw it better. So, right? You can notice this tapering, and at this point you cannot short any of this, right? Because you are in confirmation of a bullish structure, right? So you have this inverse head and shoulder with this right shoulder right here. Could have taken this trade right here all the way up. Follow up with the orange algo, right? And you'd know where the resistance is by looking at the 30-minute, and this white algo right here, right? So you know the resistance is up here. So that is intraday. So basically in total you could have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 trades today, but it would all be in PM session. So you'd have to be really patient, and you'd have to wait for structure, and you'd have to wait for confirmation, right? And if we were headed short, right, again, what I always say, guys, yes, like even I always tell you guys, if you are headed down, wait for this and the retest of the 5-day moving average. We're always going to use the 5-day moving average as some sort of resistance if we're headed down, right? Then we close this inverse cup right here, right? And then we take positions down, okay? So always wait on confirmations. And again, if we were bullish today because we bounced off the 5-day, okay? We weren't below the 5-day, we were above it, and we bounced off with these inverse head and shoulders twice, okay? So you had 2 entries, perfect entries right there, right? And this tapering right here, you can clearly notice we're tapering off of the white algo, we're tapering off of the blue, we're tapering off the pink. So you can tell that the buyers are in control, right? You just have to manage your position well. and just have a stop loss set. You can't really, I'm not gonna lie, this trade isn't perfect on the 1 minute, but it is perfect on the 5 and the 30 minute. Okay, and that's what I use to stay in the trade, because normally, like I guess tell you, I don't like choppy trades, right? But because of these confirmations from the 5 and the 30 minute, it gave me the confidence to stay in the trade, right? Okay, and so from here, where we go from here, again, we are setting up really nice liquidity. I'm gonna actually draw this algo right here, right? So if we do reject right here, guys, oh my, yeah. All right, guys, so we are gonna use this orange. Right? We have perfect left shoulder right here. We might form a head here, right? And then right here, right off of orange right here. Okay, we're gonna form some type of microstructure right here, right? By microstructure, we mean we're gonna close this cup right here, right? So inverse cup right here, right? And then take it off of right here, right? And then we might close if we have enough selling. We might push all the way down, but if we don't, we might complete another inverse cup right here at this liquidity level, at this left shoulder right here, and grab that left shoulder, and then head all the way down and close this inverse cup hopefully, right? Or we're gonna test teal as well, okay? And we're just gonna see where it goes. But tomorrow, Wednesday, the market will close early at like 1 p.m. So I don't know how the volume will work. Maybe in the AM, right, like 9 to 11, it might be high, but it might slow down. And then Thursday again, it's a holiday, so no trading. Actually, I'm sad that we have like 2 days. Basically, I don't know. Price action might be weird on Wednesday, you know. So tomorrow it might be weird. Who knows? But yeah. So wait, and if we are headed up again, guys, we should close this cup. Of course, we need to see some strong buying here. And potentially like close a cup right here, right? Handle right here, right? And then close this big cup at 550 level, right? That's the bullish confirmation we are looking for, and hopefully that we get. But yeah, look out for that and wait for the confirmation. The market is revealing itself. You guys see how nicely it played out today? I was waiting for this trade the whole day since yesterday, okay? This beautiful trade right there. I had it set. If you watch yesterday's video, you can see that I set the algos there. But yeah, guys, so it's a beautiful trade, beautiful day. Just be patient and wait for the structure, wait for confirmations from the bigger time frames, because the bigger time frames will give you the bigger picture as well as the bigger resistances, right? If you noticed early in the AM that we were in this yellow, you wouldn't have traded this, right? You wouldn't have traded calls here at all, okay? You would look for some type of short scalp right here for the market to grab liquidity and then bounce off right here, okay? All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.